Trump administration backs down on SEVIS record cancellations for international students. Legal shift brings temporary relief amid ongoing controversy over immigration status revocations. In a major reversal, the Trump administration has decided to pause its legal battle over the potential termination of immigration status for thousands of international students in the U.S. The decision follows legal challenges from students whose immigration records were suddenly canceled by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE), leaving many uncertain about their status and facing possible deportation. The Department of Justice informed courts across the nation on Friday that ICE will halt further cancellations of student status records known as SEVIS. While a new system is developed to review these records, a statement read in court confirmed that ICE is working on a policy framework to guide SEVIS record terminations, and that such cancellations would no longer be based solely on searches in a national crime information center (NCIC) by Friday evening. Over 240 SEVIS records have been reinstated across 63 universities, with many students receiving notices of their status being restored. Lawyers representing students in New Hampshire, Georgia, and Pennsylvania reported that their clients had been notified of the reinstatement by their schools. However, officials clarified that ICE would retain the authority to terminate student records in certain situations, such as when students fail to maintain their non-immigrant status after their records are reinstated, or if they engage in unlawful activities that could lead to removal from the United States. Under immigration law, the revocation of these records had sparked widespread panic, as many students found themselves at risk of deportation after their records were removed from the SEVIS database. This move came amid a broader effort by ICE to cancel student visas and initiate deportation proceedings, particularly targeting those involved in protests related to the Israel-Hamas conflict. Last year, although federal judges have temporarily halted some of the actions, international students continue to face uncertainty. The ongoing legal battles highlight the growing tensions between the government's enforcement efforts and the rights of international students, especially those accused of minor infractions or lacking clear explanations for the cancellations. While the announcement of SEVIS record reinstatements provides temporary relief, it remains unclear how this will affect all students, particularly those whose visas were canceled before the policy shift. As legal proceedings continue, the future of international students in the U.S. hangs in the balance.